street all means. Distant quiet. No.
I stack my mornings into towers. Learn to harvest stone for power. Figure sketch the low bearing lines. Now my spine's a skyline.
Coffee, courage, keys and plans. Turn my doubts into new spend. Lay your cornerstone in truth. Wire your rooftop to your youth. If the wind tests every seam, bolt it tight with a living cream.
Rise like cities, let the ground feel weight. 808s pave the way. Let the brass migrate.
Choirs lift the gate. I'm the beam that won't give away.
I'm the light that names the day.
I drew bridges out of fear, paid the toll with patient years. Now the traffic of our hope flows in lanes that we make cold.
Skies reflect our open claim.
Every window says our name.
If the cracks begin to show,
Pour the gold and let it glow. If the sirens cry retreat,
March your heartbeat to the beat.
rise like cities, steel and grace. Fade away thunder, brass embrace. Rise like cities, claim your place. Stone by stone we set the pace.
who builds home?
We do,
Who stands strong?
we do.
We do! Together! Rise like cities, let the night turn bright. Choirs blaze, peaks of light. We rise together. Rise like cities, lighted across the night. Dreams in concrete flight.
Razors fade, heartbeat kick along. Rise like cities.
Rise like cities.